Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you what is the best stockbroker in Portugal. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you do it, you'll get on this site called DEGIRO. DEGIRO is one of the best stockbrokers that you can buy stocks and ETF and options with, and for Portugal. And why is that? When you're going to scroll down below, you can simply click Portugal and go to top right, and you can simply test it out by yourself and register. Now, when you're going to do it, I want to explain to you the stocks and everything on DEGIRO. I made comparison videos in which I was comparing DEGIRO and others, and I really found out that DEGIRO is one of the best. Only because, like, by brokerage user, it's the best broker for stock trading and also best discount broker. You don't have any, let me show you the fees. You don't have any inactivity fee, any withdrawal fee, any account fee or deposit fee, nothing. They're not lying to you, right? Also, they have only cheap when you're gonna like buy stocks here or ETF. You get also, there is also a list of ETFs that can be traded for free once a month. So you can see right here that it's quite cheap, 0.04 per share plus 0.50 cents. So that's like quite cheap. And yep, that's pretty much it. I mean, for long-term investing, DEGIRO is the best. I really believe in that. Then you're gonna see markets and products, stocks, ETF, Forex. You don't have Forex and CFD here, but you have everything else. Also, it feels really good to use it. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.